Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all controls and gestures on your headphones Skullcandy Push Ultra. You can play and pause the song by pressing one time on your left one or right one main button. So I press one time and I pause it. If I press again, I will play it. Now, if you press one time on your plus button, you will increase the volume, and the same with a left one. And if you press on the minus button, you will lower the volume. And again the same with the left one. Here we go. Now, if you press and hold on plus button, you will play next song. And if you press on the minus button, you will play previous song. And again, it's the same with the left one. So, and if you press 3 times on your left one, on the right one main button, you will call your assistant. I have Siri here, but if you have Android, maybe you will have Google Assistant. As you can see, it's working. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.